Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm making salad. I'm using a piece of cabbage. I'm gonna use 1 carrot with that and a sweet pepper. I'm gonna make a quick salad, very easy, very simple. And I'm gonna use some plain Greek yogurt to do my dressing. Alright, also this is considered a healthy meal. And of course, it's not going to be any carbs. Maybe a little bit of carbs going to be in the nuts, probably. And that's it. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to cut my cabbage. Before I cut my cabbage, I am going to put the carrot in my KitchenAid and let it grate a bit, okay? Because I don't want to grate it, so. All right, so I'm gonna cut my cabbage really small. So, I finished cutting up the cabbage. I cut them really small. This is the cabbage, it's all done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up the pepper, alright? It's all washed, of course. So my peppers are all cut. I cut them a little small. This is the carrot. I just use the KitchenAid to cut the carrots to make it faster. I have a tin of corn. So what I did, I washed the corn off after I take it out of the can. I have the corn, the cabbage, sweet peppers, and carrots. Alright? I'm gonna mix it in a bit. Cup of cashew nuts. This is a half. That's another half. I use just roasted cashew nuts with no added salt. Okay, just gonna add the cashew nuts. I'm gonna use up my blender cup and I'm gonna use the Greek yogurt. I'm gonna make my dressing. I use plain Greek yogurt. This is a half of a cup. I'm gonna use a cup, okay, of the Greek yogurt. That's half. So what I have here is the virgin olive oil, and this is a tablespoon. I use 3 tablespoons, okay? I have a half of a lemon. I use some honey. I only use 1 tablespoon of the honey. I'm going to blend it up for a bit. This is sea salt. I'll add some of the sea salt. And this is the dressing. Finished. I'm just gonna sprinkle a few nuts on top of it. And also, this is considered a healthy meal, right? Most people would use mayonnaise to get this creamy look. You can just use the yogurt, the Greek yogurt, because it's healthier. So always try to keep Greek yogurt in your refrigerator. No sugar, nothing. And it's always like you can do so much with Greek yogurt. Once you have Greek yogurt and lemon, you can make so many different dressings. Of course, I'll get into a video about dressings on another day. So as I said, this also can use towards your Christmas meals. You can make this as a salad and it look creamy, but of course it's Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. It's healthier, and this is also considered a healthy meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I appreciate you watching my video. Enjoy!